What's up guys? The Indian market is about to get another Vivo smartphone. According to a teaser posted by Amazon, the device is called as VIVO U20 and will arrive on November 22nd with Snapdragon 675 and 3 cameras on the back. Upon closer inspection, it is came to know that it is an Indian variant of the Chinese phone VIVO U3 launched last month and will be an upgrade over the VIVO U10, which is also known as VIVO U3X in China. The VIVO U20 has a triple camera which includes a 16 megapixel main shooter, 8 megapixel of wide angle lens with aperture f2.2 and a 2 megapixel macro sensor. There is a selfie shooter on the front, right in the water drop notch, and it is 16 megapixel. It has got a screen of 6.53 inch with a full HD plus resolution and a tall ratio, and the fingerprint scanner is on the back while the bottom is occupied by a micro USB port. The device was announced with a 5000 mAh of battery and the 18 watt fast charging at a price range of 10,000 in India, and it is equivalent to $140 in the international market. The VIVO U20 is expected to be priced around $150 in the international market and 10,000 in India. So this is all we know about the VIVO U20. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.